अगर आप क्लास 10th में हो तो इस वीडियो को अभी सेव करो. Let's start 100 question series. Question number 33. PQ and AB are arcs of two concentric circles of radii 7 cm and 3.5 cm with center O. If angle POQ is 30 degree, find the area of the region between them. Okay, let's start. You can see in the diagram. So we have to find that colored area. So first we can calculate the area of the smaller sector, which is ABO. So area of the sector is pi r square into theta upon 360. So pi into 3.5 square, which is radius, and theta is 30 degree. So that will give you 3.21 square centimeter. Next we can calculate the area of the larger sector, which is POQ. Again same formula. So pi into 7 square into 30 degree upon 360 degree. That will give you 12.83 square centimeter. Now if you subtract the area of the smaller sector from the area of the larger sector, that will give you the area of the shaded region. So that is 12.83 square centimeter minus 3.21 square centimeter. So the answer will be 9.62 centimeter square. That's it.